English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 1.
In spoken English, you might hear small questions added to the ends of sentences. These are called question tags, and they are used to invite someone to agree with you.
The music is very loud, isn't it?
He's tall, isn't he? You're cold, aren't you? I'm late, aren't I? I'm not talking too much, am I?
The music is very loud, isn't it? The music isn't very loud, is it?
They're good dancers, aren't they? She's not very well, is she? You're not leaving now, are you? Her dress is beautiful, isn't it? John's hilarious, isn't he? You're tired, aren't you? The music is fantastic, isn't it? The food isn't healthy, is it?
She's a great guitarist, isn't she? This venue isn't very nice, is it? The weather is perfect, isn't it? The food is delicious, isn't it? You're dressed nicely, aren't you? It's very cold, isn't it?
Happy birthday, John. It's a wonderful party, isn't it?
Thanks, Uncle Don. May I introduce my boss, Wilma Barrington? Wilma, this is my uncle, Don.
Pleased to meet you, Wilma.
Delighted to meet you, too.
Wilma, I'd like you to come and meet my friends, Julie and Chung. Guys, this is Wilma, my boss.
It's great to meet you, Wilma.
You, too. And great to meet you, Chung. The band's great, isn't it?
It certainly is.
I'm starving. The food looks absolutely delicious, doesn't it?
Yes, Julie. It looks lovely.
Let's dance first. We can eat later, can't we?
Okay then, Chung. One dance, and then I'm going to the buffet.
Good morning, Miss Beskus. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
May I introduce Emma Wilson.
I'm very pleased to meet you.
I'm delighted to meet you too.
Hi, Jane. How are you doing?
Fine, thanks.
This is Marta.
Great to meet you.
You too.
Good evening, Mr. Fisher. How are you? Great to meet you, too. This is Tess. I'm delighted to meet you, Mrs. McIntosh. Hi, Cameron. How are you doing? May I introduce Dev Chandira?
Hi, Joe.
Hi, Mandy.
Good evening, Mr. Ree. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
May I introduce Ruth Tate?
I'm delighted to meet you, Ms. Tate.
I'm delighted to meet you.
I'm very pleased to meet you, too.
This is Vicky.
Great to meet you.
Kaya. Lovely to see you.
Pete! Great to see you too.
May I introduce Mr. Tom Grant?
I'm delighted to meet you.
Hi, Andrew. How are you doing?
Fine, thanks.
Great to meet you, Camilla.
You too.
I'm very pleased to meet you.
I'm delighted to meet you too.
Jatinder, this is my friend Amy.
Great to meet you.
Good morning, Mr. Watt. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
May I introduce Mrs. Girdwood?
I'm very pleased to meet you.
This is Shahid.
Great to meet you.
End of Lesson 1.